Hello everyone, this is Vaikri and welcome back to my YouTube channel. First of all, happy summer everyone. It's officially summer and it is my first day back from college. So we are starting this summer strong with focusing on fitness and going on a bike ride. So let's go. Also, as I do not have a summer bag, I just added a little bow and some charms to make this a summer bag. Okay, so right now we are going to the Pune's biggest flea, which is the 11/11 flea. Yeah, it's 1st of June and I don't know why for some reason it is raining in Pune. That doesn't make sense, but it's okay. For me, it's still the summer and it's still gonna be a summer vlog even though it rains. We're at the flea and my mom bailed out on last minute, so I'm here all alone. And honestly, I wanted to film content and make reels and stuff, but now I'm scared. Let's see how this goes. Okay, so now that I'm here, the music is better. Okay, so now that I'm here and I made one reel, I'm not that nervous. These are just people around, and first of all, it's okay. People are gonna judge you anyway, right? So let them judge you and do whatever you want. So the angle is so bad, I'm sorry. It's my first time, official first time filming in public, in between people I know, in between the people I went to school with, and in between the people I went to college with. It's a little nerve-wracking, but once you get the hang of it, you're good, and I'm proud of me. Okay, bye. I'm gonna go and get something to eat. Okay, so I'm back from the flea. Here is my mom. And I'm gonna debrief both of you guys what happened. So first of all, I entered, and I was hoping that I do not see anyone I know, because I wanted to film and it was my first time filming in public and I was a little nervous and my mom also wasn't there with me. And then I shopped a little and then I came out and then I met founder of the flea and the founder of Sangha. So I talked with her, she was super sweet. I asked her that if I made reels with you, is it okay if I tag you and I collaborate with you? So she was like, yeah, definitely, it would be very great. And I got a little confidence from that, and obviously did not film while I was roaming because I wanted to see what I can buy and what I cannot. So I was just roaming around. And then I found one corner. The daylight was so good, the weather was perfect, the clouds were great, the pictures were pretty. Didn't take any pictures, but the videos are pretty. And I just started filming. And if you want to see them, go check out my Insta. My Insta is Vaikri Pandit. I hope you like the news. Oh my god. Shit. Now I'm gonna give you guys a haul of what I bought. First of all, I got this face painting. This is so pretty. This is very pretty. And then I got badges. Hawaii.
Wow, nice.
I got actually 3 of them and then one was free. So first of all, I bought this 11/11. Then I bought this evil eye. Then I got this cute little avocado, and then I got this girl, I don't know. And then I got these earrings. Look. They are just gold hoops. I wanted gold hoops for so long. Really got them. That's why you go to 11/11 and you do not miss. They are so pretty. They are a essential on every single outfit. They go on every single outfit. This is so pretty. Very pretty. Cannot stop saying pretty. And the last thing I got is this. Okay. These are so pretty. I'm so beautiful. Okay, so then I got this photo booth. This is my favorite. Where is this one? Okay, so a little back. Can you see? It's not clear, but it's fine. So the backstory, not a backstory. It's you just get 3 seconds to pose, and then you have to hold the pose for 3 more seconds. So it was so confusing at first, but I think I did a pretty good job. I'm gonna paste this on my closet. That was the haul, and I had so much fun. Thank you so much, Sangam India, for putting on this flea, and thank you so much for 11/11 for making my day better. Love you. Bye. You know, the peak summer is when your best friend is driving and you are just a passenger princess. Let's go. Hi guys. Wait, we do not want to distract her, right? Because I don't want this vlog to be my last vlog. So I'm never gonna learn how to drive because all my friends know how to drive. So I'm just gonna be a passenger princess for life.
It's her job to be a certified passenger princess.
What do you want to say?
So, hi guys. Finally my turn to be featured on her vlog.
Let's go. Wait, introduce yourself.
I'm Aditi and we are childhood besties who meet after very...
2 years. We are
No, who
meeting
met
for 2 years.
who usually meet after a very long durations
Yeah,
and
that's
long gaps.
I know. And then we have to update everything. But like for the most of the part, everything stays same in our life.
Yes.
So like like this is the description of how boring our life is.
And fun.
Yeah, I mean we love our lives. It's just there's nothing to update because we don't have mutual friends. Okay, so only few of my friends know how to drive a car, and when I get a chance to be a passenger princess, I do not leave the opportunity.
Yeah, certified passenger princess.
For
guys.
life. For life. I don't think I'll ever learn how to drive a car because I just don't know. I'm so used to sitting in this seat rather than that. So, I don't know. The day I learn a car and the day I learn how to drive a car, it's gonna be revolutionary. No, I'm kidding. I'm gonna learn how to drive a car because it's like important. But I don't think I'll drive the car that much.
Yeah, just as a skill.
Yeah, just like
because you should know.
yeah, I should know how to drive a car. Very important. Let's play True Truths, One Lie. Okay. So, first one is I failed my driving test.
Okay.
The second one is I can sleep for 12 hours straight. And the third one is I was evicted from school once.
Okay.
Spot the lie.
I think that you failed your driving test is a lie because you have just turned 18. So, you are yet to give your test. Is it true? Is my answer correct?
The answer is so wrong.
What?
I
What is
mean,
the answer then?
I mean, first of all, let's just ignore the fact that I actually failed my driving test. I mean, I'm a terrible driver, but I'm working on it. So yes, I did fail my driving test. The second one is I can sleep for 12 hours straight. Like I did that last week last week or something.
Okay.
And the third one is, what was the third? Yeah, I was evicted from school. I was never evicted from school. I was always the first bencher in my school. I was low-key a teacher's pet. Like, I used to run around my teacher. Like, teacher, please make me the cupboard monitor. Please
That
make me the
one
board
student
monitor.
people are jealous of.
No, people are irritated of that student.
Yeah, irritated.
You're kidding me? The sun is so pretty.
I know.
Oh, let's
You're glowing.
I mean, wait, let's turn the camera and let's see who's actually glowing.
But this side, dekho, pura it's raining.
Yeah, and then
And
this
this
side
side
it's the
it's
sun. Okay, so I want to ask you the summer question of the day, and that is, what's your #1 tip to a happy girl summer?
Oh, that's a great question. So I think it should be a perfect balance between your work life, your own self-development, as well as the fun.
Yay, we love that. How do you feel after losing? Aditi.
He's our captain.
Feel after winning?
Actually, I was like, it was already decided that I'm going to win.
Oh yeah.
They were like, nobody's.
The match was fixed, you know.
This is a better view, guys. Wow, what a catch! Highlight of the vlog. Guys, this is the match point.
Okay, so my question is that what do you guys do to make your summers happy, and also introduce yourself and pass the camera.
I'm Moisha and I'm trying to fix my sleep schedule and I'm sleeping a lot. Hi, I'm Sabha and I traveled.
I am Aditi, you guys already know me, and I ate a lot of ice cream.
Hi, I'm Utkarsh and I play badminton.
Hi, I'm Satvik and I played football.
These guys are so sweet. Like, they are so sweet to me every time I come visit Aditi. So I love you guys so much.
Love you too.
Okay.